Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the semester, my name is Julian Tanto from the Management Study Program with a student identification number of 17056190002. On this opportunity, I will present the result in my final project about the effect of work balance and career development on employee engagement in Japan restaurant at PTX Indonesia. In this presentation, there are 5 topics of discussion, including Chapter 1 about introduction, Chapter 2 about literature review, Chapter 3 about research method, Chapter 4 about result and discussion, and the last Chapter 5 about conclusion and submission. In Chapter 1 about the introduction, discussion topic include background, research question, and research objective. In the background section in Chapter 1 is began with employee engagement becoming practice in human resource management, which is currently developing. However, the result of a survey by Gallup 2023 showed that the percentage of engaged employees in Indonesia has not been maximized. In the graphic image presented, it can be seen that the engaged employees are only 24%. Meanwhile, employees are not engaged by 76%. In fact, engaged employees have a positive impact on the company, such as high productivity, maximum performance, good loyalty, and positive work moral. PTX Indonesia, as the object of the research, has never conducted an employee engagement survey. However, there are obstacles related to employee engagement, namely the employee turnover rate exceeding 10% and the problem of employee tardiness every month. According to Scofield et al., engaged employees will find it difficult to separate themselves from work and have high dedication. Meanwhile, high turnover rates and employee delays can indicate that employee engagement is not optimal. Next, employees at PTX Indonesia revealed that they have obstacle to work for a long time. In addition, employees sometimes lack focus when working, which has an impact on mistake in their work. According to Scofield et al., engaged employees have the strength to work for a long time and a good level of absorption on their work. Employee engagement at PTX Indonesia is influenced by work-life balance and career development. This is supported by Nguyen and Pham 2020 and Wuxian Shen in 2019 that work-life balance and career development have a significant effect on employee engagement. This condition is according with the result of pre-research, which show that work-life balance and career development rank highest in the term of factors that affect employee engagement. The study also has a background, namely the difference in the result of research conducted by several previous researchers regarding the influence of work balance and career development on employee engagement. The work-life balance has a significant effect on the result of research by Zainimin, Daniel, and Abu Bakar in 2023, Riamto and Setiani in 2020, and Larasati Hasanatian Istiqomah in 2019. However, work-life balance doesn't have a significant effect on employee engagement, according to the result from Septiani and Frianto in 2023, Farali Sarwasi and Firdo in 2023, and Setiani et al. In 2020. Then, career development has a significant effect, according to the result of research from Mustaqim and Shah in 2022, and Raunan Poglu in 2021, and Prasatian Purba in 2020. Meanwhile, career development didn't have a significant effect on employee engagement, according to the research result from Singal, Dotul, and Kojo in 2023, Dewi in 2022, and Basuki in 2018. Based on the description of the background of the research, there are research question including the first, what is the description of work balance, career development, and employee engagement at PTX Indonesia Japan restaurant? The second, does work-life balance have a significant effect on employee engagement? The third, does career development have a significant effect on employee engagement? And the last, do work-life balance and career development have a simultaneous effect on employee engagement? Then, based on the description of the research question, there are research objectives involving the first, to find out an overview of work-life balance, career development, and employee engagement at Japan restaurant PTX Indonesia. The second, to find out the significant influence of work balance on employee engagement. The third, to find out the significant influence of career development and on employee engagement. And the last, to find out the effect of work-life balance and career development simultaneously on employee engagement. In Chapter 2 about the literature review, discussion topic includes supporting theories, theoretical framework, and conceptual frameworks. In the supporting theory in Chapter 2, it's began with the concept from Armstrong and Taylor that employee engagement is conditioned when people are enthusiastic, positively about their work and workplace, and are motivated and ready to work with their best abilities to achieve high performance. Then, Scofield et al. Argue that employee engagement is a positive mental state and mind of employees toward their work, which can be seen from their enthusiasm, dedication, and appreciation. So, employee engagement can be interpreted as a mental state and positive thought of employees who have a level of commitment to their work and company by being involved in the the work that they do, so that they create a sense of enthusiasm in work, which can be characterized by vigor, dedication, and absorption. Employee engagement has three dimensions, namely vigor, dedication, and absorption. Vigor is related to spirit, dedication is related to involvement, and absorption is related to enjoy the work. The next, according to Armstrong and Taylor, work-life balance is condition for achieving a satisfactory balance between work and non-work activities such as family activities. Then Fisher argues that work-life balance is competition between a personal time and energy to carry out different roles in their life. So work-life balance means a concept that is directed to create a balance between the work that employees do and their personal activities by engaging in their work and personal responsibility at the same time. A good work-life balance ensures high work morale, full responsibility at work, and feeling satisfied with what you have, including your job. Work-life balance has two dimensions, namely demands and resources. Demands are related to interruption between work and personal life. Meanwhile, resources are related to the positive impact that exists between work and personal life. Then, according to Dessler, career development is a series of activities that contribute to the exploration, formation, success, and satisfaction of personal career. Mondi and Martocchio argue that career development is a formal approach used by the company to ensure the availability of people with the right qualification and experience when needed. Meanwhile, according to Shimamura, career development is conditions that show an increase in the status of individual in the company on predetermined career path. So, career development means an ongoing program carried out by a company to provide opportunity for its employees to develop themselves, to encourage them to work more optimally so that they can ensure the availability of employees according to their qualification and abilities when needed to occupy higher position. Or individuals can get an increase in status in their careers. Good career development can good encourage employees to be enthusiastic and serious in their work. Career development has two dimensions, namely career planning and career management. Career planning is concerned with the process of setting career goals and career plans by individual and management. Meanwhile, career management is related to the process of managing career program by management. And the next, the theoretical framework is shown from previous research that work-life balance and career development have a significant influence and have a simultaneous influence on employee engagement. When work-life balance is achieved, employee engagement is higher. Then when employee feel that the career development in the company is relatively good, then employee engagement will increase so that employee will be loyal and have a strong attachment to the company. This related to social exchange theory contained by Sachs. In the concept framework, there are three research hypotheses. In this study, there are research hypotheses including hypothesis 1, work-life balance has a significant effect on employee engagement. Hypothesis 2, career development has a significant effect on employee engagement. And hypothesis 3, work-life balance and career development have a simultaneous effect on employee engagement. In the chapter 3 about research method, discussion topic include research object, research design, and data analysis technique use. In the research object and research section in chapter 3, the research class was conducted in Japan restaurant at PTX Indonesia. The research period started from August in 2023 to March in 2024. The study population was 140 restaurant staff. The research sample was 104 with profile sampling in the form of restaurant staff employees and working period of more than 1 year. The research instrument used a questionnaire with 48 statements. The data analysis technique in this study used SPSS software version 25. Data analysis technique include descriptive analysis, instrumental test consisting of validity test and reliability test, classical association test consisting of normality test, linearity test, multicollinearity test, and heterogeneity test, and hypothesis test consisting of multiple linear regression analysis, partial test, simultaneous test, and determinant coefficient test. The next in chapter 4 about result and discussion topic include data description, data analysis result, and discussion. In the data description section in chapter 4, the data description provides an overview of the data or condition of the sample in the study. Respondent provide a part of the data description in the study. Respondent provide categories based on gender, age, work period, marital status, and education. The characteristic of respondent by gender show that male employees are the dominant respondent in the study because the work done require high energy and good physical and mental endurance due to duration of work time until night every day. Then the characteristic of respondent by age show that most employees have a rank from 19 years to 28 years old because companies need employees who are agile, flexible, dexterous, and attractive looking. The characteristic of respondent based on working period show the dominant employees had a working period of more than 1 year, but it was below 3 years due to the high turnover rate, and the contract was system every year with a duration of 1 to 3 years. Like the characteristic of respondent based on marital status show that most employees are married because they are relatively young and focused on career and other personal consideration. The last characteristic of respondent based on education show that the education of dominant employees was at the high school level because the characteristic of the job didn't require high special skill. And then the description analysis show an overview of the condition of each variable and the instrument test consist of validity test and reliability test. The result of the description analysis of work balance show that the variable was relatively high because it was supported by the resource dimension, measured by the employee personal life, providing readiness and calm to work, a better mood because of his personal life, and energy to work obtained from his personal life. Then the result of the description analysis of career development show the average variable was relatively high because it was supported by the dimension of career planning, which might measure by the suitability of the job with the employee expertise, in the employee interest in career promotion, the same opportunity for the employee in the career development, and the suitability of the job with the employee's interest in career. And then next, the result of discrete analysis of employee engagement showed that the average variable was very high because it was supported by dimension of dedication, measured by interest in active participation in work as a challenge, and pride in work. Then the figure dimension measure about a good mentality at work, strong at work, and energy at work. Validity test to measure the level of validity of the research instrument. The instrument is valid if the calculated R value is greater than the table value of 0.061. In the study, all research instruments were valid. Reliability test to measure the level of reliability of research instrument. The instrument is reliable if the Cron alpha value is greater than the value of 0.60. In the study, all items are reliable. The next, the classical association test consists of normality test, linearity test, multicollinearity test, and heterogeneity test. Normality test to test whether the residual value are normally distributed. The data will be normal if the significant value is greater than the significant level of 0.05. In the study, the data was categorized as normal because of significant value of 0.200. Test linearity to find out if there is a significant linear relation between variables. If the significant value is less than the value of 0.05, then there is a linear relationship. In this study, work-life balance and career development have a linear relationship with employee engagement because of the linear value of 0.000. The classical answer test consists of a normality test, a linearity test, a multicollinearity test, and heterogeneity test. Multicollinearity test to find out if there are relationship between independent variables in the regression model. A good regression model doesn't have multicollinearity if the FVIV value is less than 10 or the tolerance value is greater than the value of 0.10, then multicollinearity does not assure. The heterogeneity to see if there is a variant in quality of residual in the regression model. A good regression model doesn't assure heterogeneity. If the significant value is greater than the value of 0.05, then not heterogeneity assure. In this study, heterogeneity didn't assure. And the next, the hypothesis test consists of multiple linear regression analysis, t-test, v-test, and deterministic coefficient test. Multiple linear regression analysis to determine the relationship of the independent variable to bound variable. In this study, the result of multiple linear regression are in the form of regression model equation, namely Y 5.32 plus 0.562 and plus 0.611. 0.600. The value of the bound variable constant of 5.326 indicate the condition when it doesn't get influence of the independent variable. The value of the work balance coefficient is 0.562, which show a positive influence on employee engagement. Then the value of the career development coefficient is 0.600, which show a positive influence of employee engagement. The higher the worker balance and career development, the higher the employee engagement. Partial test to determine the magnitude of the influence of one independent variable on the bound variable. If the significant value is less than the probability value of 0.05, then the free variable has a significant influence on the bound variable. In the study, work-life balance and career development partial had a significant influence on employee engagement. Simultaneous test to determine the magnitude of the free variable together against the bound variable. If the significant value is less than the value of 0.05, then the independent variable has simultaneous influence on bound variable. In the study, work-life balance and career development simultaneously have a significant effect on employee engagement. And then next, the deterministic coefficient test to is determine the extent of the model ability to explain the variation of the bound variable. In the study, the amount of the influence of work balance and career development on employee engagement was 66.5%. Meanwhile, employee engagement is influenced by other factor by 30.5%. And the next, in the discussion section about work-life balance and employee engagement, the result of the hypothesis test show that work-life balance has a positive and significant effect on employee engagement. The higher the work-life balance, the higher the employee engagement. Personal life make employees calm more ready to work with an impact on the positive mentality that employees have. Meanwhile, the fatigue felt by employees causes the employees trying to work less than optimal, which has an impact of the level of difficulty for employees to detach themselves from their work. Then in the discussion section about career development and employee engagement, the result of the hypothesis test show that career development has a positive and significant effect on employee engagement. The higher the career development in the company, the more employee engagement will increase. Work that matches the employee skill and interest employee interested in being actively involved with their work. Meanwhile, the lack of opportunities to improve skill through training and openness of career development program causes employees to feel that they can detach themselves from work and want to seek better opportunities. The relationship between work-life balance and career development to employee engagement can use social action theory, which is assumes that when companies provide good treatment and opportunity to their employees tend to give back to the company through more positive attitude and more positive behaviors. And the last in chapter 5 about conclusion and suggestion, discussion topic include conclusion, implication, and suggestion, limitation of the study and recommendation. Based on the result of the research from testing and data analysis, the conclusion of this study include the first, an overview of work balance, career development, and employee engagement in Japan restaurant employees at PTX Indonesia includes a work balance is in the high category, career development is in the high category, and employee engagement is in a very high category. The second, work-life balance has a positive and significant effect on employee engagement in Japan restaurant employees at PTX Indonesia. And the third, career development has a positive and significant effect on employee engagement in Japan restaurant employees at PTX Indonesia. And the last, work-life balance and career development have a significant simultaneous influence on employee engagement in Japanese restaurant at PTX Indonesia. And the next, based on the result of the research from testing data analysis, the implication of this study include the first, in the work-life balance variable, companies can implement policies that support work balance, such as additional leave, family gatherings, and providing entertainment facilities. And the second, in the career development variable, companies can create programs related to improve employability and skill, such as competency training and expertise certification. And the last, in the employee engagement variable, the company can maintain this condition with policies that support employees to work actively, such as providing flexibility in the completing work according to the portion of responsibility. Based on the result of the from testing and data analysis, the suggestion for this research include the first, the work balance variable, companies can implement a flexible working hour policy, such as two-shift system of provide supporting facility for personal activities during work breaks. And the second, in the career development variables, companies can provide career development information disclosure or training, provide individual development plans, and provide career assistance. And the last, in the employee engagement variable, the company can provide rewards for the best or outstanding employees, such as appreciation every month. And the last topic in the study, there are several limitations, including the first, data collection is only through questionnaires. The second, low employee participation in filling out questionnaires. And the last, the characteristics of the sample with the status of permanent employees are very minimal. So contract employee with a working period of more than 1 year are determined. In the study, there are several recommendations for future research, including the first, subsequent research can add or replace independent variables with similar research object, or use the same variable with different research object. And the last, subsequent research could develop in a broader population and sample with the characteristic of permanent employee status in similar industry sector. This is the explanation that I can cover. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.